Welcome to another video of RPA Genie. In this video, we'll learn to use mouse and keyboard activities. So for that, we'll use this demo website where we'll hover over courses, then click on engineering, and then click home, then click on login, give our username and password and hit enter. So, so this is how the final product will look like. So as you can see, we have logged in successfully. So let's see how did we do it. So let's create a new project. Let's give the name of this project as keyboard mouse demo. Let's give the description as demo on keyboard and mouse activity. So the first step will be to open the browser. So for that we'll use the activity open browser and give the URL of the demo website in quotes. Now let's maximize the site. Now, after the website is opened, we'll need to hover over courses. So for that, we'll use the activity hover. Hover, using hover, it will help us to hover over a particular UI element. So let's indicate where we need to hover and hit OK. Now we have indicated courses. Now after hovering over courses, we need to click on engineering. So we'll use the activity click. This clicks a particular UI element. So we have seen one way to indicate on screen. There is another way to indicate on screen. We'll click on Open UI Explorer and then click on Indicate Element and then highlight what we need to click on. Now this has been selected, the indicator. We'll copy the selector and paste it over here. Now after clicking over engineering, we need to click on Home again. So we'll drag another click activity and we'll indicate Home. Now after clicking on home, we need to click on login. So we'll use another click element, click activity. We'll indicate login. Now after clicking on login, we need to give a username. So for that we'll use send keys activity. This activity sends keys to UI element and will indicate on screen where we need to send the keys. Then after highlighting where we need to send, we'll give the input. So here the username is admin. Now after giving the username, we need to give the password. So password being a secure thing, we need to use the activity create secure string. Create secure string encrypts passwords and other strings to a secured string. So we'll write the password here. The password is admin1234. Let's just store it in a variable var password. The variable type, as you can see, is secure string. Now we need to send this secure string. So for that, we'll use the activity send secure string. Send secure string passes secured string variable as string variable format. We'll highlight where we need to send it. We'll highlight password. And now we'll give the input of this as var password, which we created earlier. Now after this, we need to bring our cursor from password to login. So for that, we can hit the tab button. So for that, we'll use the activity send hotkeys. Send hotkeys send keyboard shortcuts to a UI element. So here we'll click on edit and hit tab. Then after hitting tab, we need to hit enter to log into the page. So for that, we'll use another hotkey, enter, click on edit, hit enter. Now we'll log in. So let's see if our project is working. As you can see, we have logged in successfully into the page using RPA Genie. So that's it for today's video. Thank you.